Hey guys, I just bought a new windshield, a PowerBronze. I bought it through the Australian PowerBronze.com.au website, but it comes from the UK as a special order. It costs about 160 Australian dollars, and it took about 4 weeks to get here, but it's really worthwhile because I really I really like the quality of it, and it's been highly recommended on Facebook forums and groups. So yeah, this is it here, and yeah, I took some shots of the bike beforehand just for a bit of a comparison once I put it on to see what some before and after shots. So yeah, um, the part number, if you're interested, is just in the top left corner of the label here. Is for RS or for S 2020 model. It comes with a cleaning cloth and some nylon nut and bolt, a couple of them, and then like Velcro like pieces. And yeah, this is the shield. Have a look at the quality. It's just, I really like the custom made and all the bends through it and to suit the shape of the bike. And the tint, I like this color tint that I've ordered, and the thickness of it is just something I really liked about it. And what else? This is the shop. If you live in Australia and you're interested, just give Clive a call. He's a really cool guy to talk to. They just got a custom order for the new police motorbikes here in Australia, so good on him. Yeah, comes with instructions with a bit of a 2-page setup, 5 points, and a few photos there to follow. And yeah, it says initially remove the first bit of plastic, two bolts, and then 3 more bolts after that, and then you unplug the power for the headlights, and then put it back into mount the power shield with the windshield with the nylon bolts and the Velcro looking connections, and then reassemble it, and it's done. So yeah, that's the 2 bolts here. So that removes the top part of the face of the bike there. This is the bit that comes out, and then we need to remove 3 more bolts. That one top in the middle there, and left and right bolts. Once we undo those, then we just have to pull that power connector out for the headlights, and then we remove the whole face, the front cowl of the bike. And then from there on, this is where this mounts with the nylon bolts go through there. So what they say, give it clean on the outside, on the outside of the windshield, and in the inside of the cowl, as they're gonna sit on top of each other there. So these are there's 2 different shapes of it, so they connect with each other. The opposites there, like the Velcro Velcro material, have to stick them together, peel one of the side off, and then stick them over there, and then we remove the other side of the Velcro, and then that's it mounted there. And then next thing is you peel the other bits off the paper and then put it into place. Push it really hard there once, but before you put the bolts in and nuts, and then reassemble it all. And here's what it looks like afterwards. It was really 10 minutes max it took the whole lot. But yeah, I was looking for some good photos out there beforehand to really struggle to find on Google some photos of the shield on the new triple. So yeah, hope you enjoyed, and if it helps anyone to put it together, good luck. Or if you wanted some better shots of it, as I was looking for them, here's some shots of the PowerBronze on Triumph Street Triople RS 2020.